India knows about the history of Tripura. They also know that he died before independence. They also must be having archives of the help that the Maharaja used to give to all the freedom fighters, Surya Sen, Subhash Chandra Bose, his brother Sarup Chandra Bose. They used to all come here. And then you of course have the whole family knows about famous scientist Jagadish Chandra Bose. So he was financed by Maharaja Radhakishore, and Ravi Thakur of course is a family friend and a well-wisher of the family. So we were all associated with freedom movements, and the family by and large was always nationalist. So my father-in-law, before his dying, he had already told my mother-in-law that we have to merge with India. So you can see his nationalist this thing. And we all for in our merger agreement, as I said earlier, 4 districts of Tripura are now with Bangladesh, but they were merger agreements. That means they were our private properties. The government of India called them private properties. So I think should Bangladesh consider it like that. And the most important is that for the whole of the Northeast, my father-in-law thought that Chittagong should become the biggest harbour for the Northeast. So he was a nationalist, he was an internationalist, he was a very human person, a lot of humanism in him. And when the first riots started in Bangladesh, that time East Bengal, in 1937, since then we've been having Bengalis who came across from Bangladesh, now Bangladesh into Tripura. So there was no differentiation. So I think the Bengalis must also become aware of it, and they know about it. It's no question of any ethnicity, it is a question of being just. We have also illegal people coming over. So when the government of India's constitution is there, everybody knows what is right, what is wrong. Am I correct? So if it is like that, then you follow the law. We may give them place like in 1971. We can give them shelter when the people come from Bangladesh and they're being tortured. And we have at the moment, we ourselves know so many people of the Awami League. We feel sorry for them, and especially for Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's family. I'm associated with them, and I feel very bad for Mrs. Sheikh Hasina. She did a lot for Bangladesh, and they must remember it. The Bengali language has been given respect by Sheikh Hasina's father, late Mujibur Sheikh Rahman, and he gave Bengalis a place. Now again the Pakistanis are going back there and making them slaves in the name of religion. So exploitation of Islam to finish the Bengali culture, the identity, the language, so many things of Bangladesh which were revived by Sheikh Hasina and her father are being destroyed in the name of religion, which is all lies, which they are spreading lies about the Awami League party, I think. I am not in politics, but I am a history student. So I understand what is happening, because they are all corrupt people who are coming in. Pakistan is giving money to those, so you had the Razakars and things like this. And the genuine intellectuals of Bangladesh, they are all being put into jail on false cases. I think the international human rights should step in and not play politics. I'm very annoyed about this, because they are not doing the right thing. Why can't they do something about Gaza? Why can't they do something about Sudan? Why can't they do this for so many countries? Now Yunus is a toy in the hands of the new regime that has come. He is wanting position, he wants money. So I am very frank, because I think I should speak the truth. The people are scared, they are scared for their lives. So poor thing, they have to jolly well join them. So this is my message to the government of India that we should protect Sheikh Hasina's father's legacy. We should protect Bengali identity in the right way, not by cheap popularity. We are not doing that. I have 4 districts. Sardar Patel has given us my husband's private property. If I was to claim my private property as an indigenous person, because the Chakmas didn't want to join Bangladesh, none of those 3 districts in the Chittagong wanted to join, they were all under us. So, where is the humanism? Just on the name of religion, you exploit people. See, I am a very firm believer, frank person about this thing. You cannot use religion as this. You have to be a patriot, you have to love your country, you have to love the people, you must see that there is development, economic development. When there is economic development, which the present government of Bangladesh has destroyed, which had come up to a high level under Sheikh Hasina, then I think the government, those people should be punished for the crimes now, not Sheikh Hasina. She cannot come under any international law. They murdered her father, they murdered. What happens to those people who illegally entered the house and finished them? First try them, then try Sheikh Hasina. She brought up the economic, the level of development. I feel very sad and angry about it. Thank you, thank you.
खुलुमका हसनी लुकुरंगनो नरगनि बागै बेलेखिनो काहाम सेब तुबि फैका सेंट जोसेफ हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट नवाबदी आमतली अगरतला वेस्ट त्रिपुरा हसने फातरा थाया करनो हायुं बेरनि शाकदोक नायकनि सेब नाहारि मानो बेलेखिनो रांकिसा बायनो अ हॉस्पिटलो सारब्रुमनो जनरल ओपीडी वो शाकदोक नायजगो अ हॉस्पिटलो एक्सरे खि सुतै कफ टेस्ट खयरनि बागै नामसक सेबसाब तंगो ते टेस्ट खलाय रिजागो अ हॉस्पिटलो हातिबार थगिनो एबा एवरी वीक नो किसासक चंगजाक सालो बुरंगनि बेमुक नायकरं एबा गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट सर्जरी यूरोलॉजी ते बुकुं खुंजो तोत्रा नायकरं डॉक्टर वो फाये शाकदोक नायफेयो ते अबशिमिया अ सेंट जोसेफ हॉस्पिटलो तालबुरुम न चेन्नई स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर ऑफ फाये ऑर्थोपेडिक न्यूरोलॉजी ते यूरोलॉजी बेमारगनो फाये नायफेयो आपनो कारिबो अ हॉस्पिटलो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी बाय दाल बिदाल बेमारगनि ऑपरेशन फैसिलिटी बो तंगो ते सेपरेट एसी नॉन एसी रूम नावे शाकदोक नाजुगनि सेबो मानथगो हाके ताइता मलेरि तंगसिनै फायदि गाहाम हायुं बेमनि शाकदोक सेबमाना निमुसुंखाके एबा तेबसिना मुसुंखाके गंदी तलावो एबा खामाव रजा कगदुक नंबर 7085256702 तेगिसे कगदुक नंबर 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG, and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai ni specialist doctor Hayor treatment Kaipayo, Kubuni Hospital of Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kai Shaiman Nani Bagai, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Kalaimano, Hambai.